Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Blender Alpha builds to try out the new cycling functionality. First of all, open the browser of your choice, then type Blender Organization, then click on this link. It is usually the first one, so you can proceed with that. Then scroll down to here and click Experimental Builds. Then click on Blender 3.0, which comes with Cycles X Render Engine. Click on it and start the download.
Extract the file into your desired folder and open it. When the extraction process is done, open the blender.exe from the folder. I'm choosing this theme. You are free to select the theme of your preferences. I'll delete everything and load an icosphere. Either way, you'll right away notice the difference. This build is experimental and may not work as desired, but it's worth to check out the new features that are available in the future builds to come.